Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Fivetran transformations tutorials, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the YouTube website by typing www.youtube.com in the address bar. In the search bar at the top of the page, type Fivetran transformations tutorials. Press the enter key to initiate the search. Look for the official Fivetran channel in the search results. Click on the channel name to access their page. Once on the Fivetran channel, locate the Videos tab. Scroll through the available videos to find the tutorials you are interested in. When you find a tutorial, click on the video thumbnail to watch it. If prompted, sign in using your Google account credentials. After signing in, you may receive notifications to turn on alerts. Choose to enable notifications if you wish to be updated on new tutorials. If you want to create a playlist, click on the Save button under the video. Select Create Playlist to organize your favorite tutorials. Enter a name for your playlist in the pop-up window. Click Create to save your new playlist. Return to the Fivetran channel anytime to explore new tutorials. This will keep you informed and ready to learn about Fivetran transformations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.